Dallas. Dallas is a well-rounded metropolis that grew out of the desolate North Texas prairie. It boasts a jumble of ultra-modern skyscrapers, the biggest arts area in the country, top-notch museums, and a vibrant nightlife. In recent years, entire sections of the city have been remade, such as the Design District, which gave life to a depressing neighborhood of warehouses, or Clyde Warren Park, which was built on the site of a former motorway. However, you won't have any trouble finding traditional Texas fare like huge steaks and honky-tonks among the top-end eateries and high culture. Dealey Plaza will show you how the city has dealt with this tragedy. Dallas will also always be associated with the 1963 assassination of John F. Kennedy. Let's see best places to visit in Dallas. Number 1. Margaret Hunt Hill Bridge. This striking cable-stayed bridge across the Trinity River, designed by the internationally renowned architect Santiago Calatrava, is dedicated to old heiress and philanthropist Margaret Hunt Hill. The bridge, which is immediately identified by its 120-meter central arch pylon, was built as part of a significant effort to enhance the Trinity River and was inaugurated in 2012. A network of wires that connects the underside of the arch to the road appears to intersect in a variety of ways depending on your viewpoint. The riverbanks have largely been kept undeveloped, and that arch stands out and can be seen for miles. Number 2. Reunion Tower. In 1978, Dallas, one of the buildings that make up Dallas, was built to the south of Dealey Plaza. The 171-meter Reunion Tower, also referred to as the Ball, is made up of 4 skinny shafts, 1 cylindrical and 3 rectangular, and is topped with an open-work geodesic dome that is 259 LED lit at night. The elevators are located in the 3 rectangular shafts, and during the 68-second ride to the Geo deck, you will be treated to a breathtaking view of Dallas through the exterior glass panel of the shaft. Once you get to the Geo deck, you may use interactive screens to learn more about the city's history and changing skyline, look through telescopes, and enjoy the breeze on the outdoor platform. Number 3. Dealey Plaza. You can visit a location in Dallas where history was permanently altered. If it weren't for the killing of John F. Kennedy on November 22, 1963, the Dealey Plaza features such as the Texas School Book Depository, the grassy knoll, and Elm Street as it curves down to the railroad lines would be unremarkable. Dealey Plaza's cityscape has remained mostly unaltered since it was designated a National Historic Landmark in 1993. Looking up at the corner window on the 6th floor where Lee Harvey Oswald fired his 3 rounds, seeing the X marking the location of JFK's fatal second bullet wound, and standing on the bank where Abraham Zapruder captured his renowned footage make it difficult not to feel moved. Number 4. Arts District. With a unique concentration of cultural attractions spread across 20 square blocks to the southeast of Uptown, Dallas may lay claim to having the largest urban arts district in the country. Numerous local landmarks, including the Perot Museum of Nature and Science, Clyde Warren Park, and the Winspear Opera House, will be visited by our group. In the Arts District, renowned venues and organizations may be found side by side, from the Dallas Black Dance Theater in the east to the Dallas Museum of Art in the west. There is also a ton of interest in the architecture, as seen by buildings like the neo-Gothic Cathedral Shrine of the Virgin Guadalupe, which has 100 stained glass windows and a 68-meter spire. Number 5. ATT Stadium. The Cowboys, the NFL most valuable club as of 2019 and 24-time division champions, 5-time Super Bowl victors, and nearly always mentioned after the name Dallas, are known to many sports enthusiasts. The Cowboys have made the second most Super Bowl appearances in history and have a streak of regular and postseason games that have been sold out that dates back to 2002. The team relocated to the 80,000 capacity and potential 105,000 capacity at TNT in 2009, which is 20 minutes to the west in Arlington and is billed as the largest dome in the world. Number 6. American Airlines Center. This multi-purpose facility in the Victory Park area is home to 2 major sports clubs, the Dallas Mavericks, who won the NBA championship in 2011 and were captained by Dirk Nowitzki, who had just announced his retirement in 2019 after a 21-year career, are the most well-known team. The Mavericks are known for having ardent supporters, and as of the time of writing, their home games had been consistently sold out since 2001. The owner Mark Cuban's plan is to donate the unsold tickets to charity or sell them off at steep prices. Number 7. Dallas County Courthouse. an impressive Romanesque revival structure made of warm, rusticated red sandstone with rusticated marble for its first floor and window openings, can be seen on the southeast side of Dealey Plaza. The Courthouse, also known as Old Red, was built in 1892, and it is easily recognized by its turrets and high central tower. It lost its official status in 1966 when a new courthouse building was finished nearby. The Old Red Museum has been housed in this opulent structure since 2007. The second floor's permanent display takes visitors on a journey through the history of the city, from prehistory to the present, including fossils, artifacts from 19th century trade, war weapons, sporting goods, and figures who helped Dallas become a major cultural hub. Number 8. Globe Life Field. The Texas Rangers' new home, which was scheduled to open with the 2020 season, was being built at the time of writing in the 2019-2020 offseason. From 1994 to 2019, the Rangers had played at Globe Life Park, which was now being used by the FC Dallas, affiliate North Texas SC, and the Dallas Renegades of the XFL. Attendance at Rangers games has always been affected by the extreme Texas summer heat. Therefore, the new 40,000-seat ballpark, which cost more than $1.1 billion to build, includes a retractable roof to shield spectators from the scorching sun and also prevent rain delays. This may open and close quickly. Number 9. Dallas City Hall. I.M. Pei, who also designed the Morton H. Meyerson Symphony Center, created the current City Hall, which is located south of downtown Dallas. This brutalist, buff-colored concrete structure, which is shaped like an inverted pyramid and resembles a stadium grandstand from Yonge Street, housed the first city council meeting in 1978. All of that was a result of how much more space the government's administrative offices needed above, as opposed to the public spaces and services for citizens on the lower floors. An interesting tidbit about the structure is that the third-level basement contains a tunnel that was supposed to be used by an abandoned underground rail transit system. The Woodall Rogers Freeway was lowered underground for 3 blocks in the Arts District of downtown Dallas in the early 2010s to make room for this cutting-edge public park along its route. Number 10. Clyde Warren Park. The Woodall Rogers Freeway was lowered underground for 3 blocks in the Arts District of downtown Dallas in the early 2010s to make room for this cutting-edge public park along its route. Clyde Warren Park, designed as a primary center for community gatherings in Dallas, features a large grass bordered by a pedestrian promenade lined with trees, as well as a restaurant, children's park, botanical garden, reading room, dog park, performance pavilion, and urban games area. The park, which bears the name of the millionaire Kelsey Warren's son and received a $10 million development gift, debuted in 2012. There will be 10 or more authorized food trucks here on any one day, and the park's website will include their names and the menu items they are providing.